Let's make this beautiful banana cheesecake. This is what you will need. Add vanilla wafer crumbs to a bowl. Add melted butter. Add sugar. Add cinnamon. Mixed together. Put the crumb mixture in a spring-form pan and form to the bottom of the pan. Chill the crust. Place cream cheese into a bowl. Add sugar. Add flour. Add cornstarch. Add sour cream and banana extract. Add mashed bananas. Add eggs. Pour into the cooled crust. Place the pan into a tray of water. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Add gelatin to a bowl. Add milk. Place 2 egg yolks into a bowl. Add heavy cream to a saucepan. Add sugar. Add banana extract. Whisk while heating, then cool the mixture. Add heavy cream to a bowl. Add powdered sugar. Add the egg mixture. Spread the mixture over the cooled cake. When cool, decorate the cake with the frosting and sliced bananas. Enjoy your cake. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.